If you and your friends are going to hit some water, you gotta get your kayaks there first. Hey, it's Scott from Yakima here to introduce you to our newest boat mount star, the JayLow. It's a J-cradle style kayak carrier that will get your boat to any shore you desire. It's fully assembled out of the box and installs onto your crossbars tool-free. To install, open the red lever and lift up on the padded arm, then lock the arm in place by closing the red lever. For Yakima round bars, place the round bar adapters on the bars before loosening the mounts to place the cradles atop the adapters. For all other bar shapes, simply place the cradles onto your crossbars, then tighten, making sure the knobs are in a horizontal position. To lock, get our SKS same key system. It's a set of lock cores for all your Yakima gear, and you'll only need one key for everything. Now that the cradle is installed, feed the heavy-duty straps through the arms. It's easier to do this with the arm in the shut position. Once you feed the straps through, extend the arms to their full open position and lock. Now you're ready to load. The JayLow features integrated ramps and a soft base that makes it easy to load and cushions your boat to keep it and your vehicle's roof scratch-free. Slide your boat up the ramps and into the cradle, then pass the straps over the boat, underneath the crossbar, and up through the inside of the tower. Now feed the loose end through the cam buckle and tighten. Take the excess strap and wrap it up and out of the way. Repeat this process on the other cradle. For extra security and stability on the road, always use the bow and stern tie-down straps. Loop the small strap through your boat, then feed the loose end of the long strap through the cam buckle. Take the loop end of the strap and feed the metal hook through, attaching it to a metal mounting point underneath your bumper. The strap sleeves protect your vehicle's finish. Tighten the strap and fold away the excess. Repeat the process for the bow. Now you're ready to head out to the water. Got two thirsty kayaks? The JayLow can handle both. To configure the JayLow as a stacker, adjust the arm so that it's in the vertical position and lock. Load the first boat as before, then load your second boat from the other side of the vehicle, vertically against the opposite side of the JayLow arms. Strap both boats down using the same process as you would with one, including tying down the bow and stern. And there you go, double the boat hauling. When not in use, the JayLow folds down to give you roof clearance and keep your car aerodynamic on the road. And there she is, the JayLow, easily carrying sea or whitewater kayaks and many types of recreational boats. Now get out there and start paddling, why don't you? The wet gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.